happy Thursday. I am heading up to Michael's really quickly. I shopped for about an hour online trying to find a happy planner for the upcoming school year, and I can't find a darn thing. They're either out of stock or not available for shipping. I don't know why. I even went to the Happy Planner website, I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Joann's, and nobody has anything to send me. So, I'm heading out. It is 111 according to my car, so it's just not any fun to get in the car. But I'm gonna hope to find what I need and start organizing. I'm starting to get a little, well, okay, that's a lie. I'm not starting to get a little anxious. I'm continuing to be a little anxious about the school year and what kind of expectations we might have. So my way of handling that is to organize. So I need to start my calendar. I will show you what I come up with when I return. Hello, I just got back from my quick trip to Michael's. It wasn't bad. I only encountered like 3 other people, I think, like in the aisle I was in, so wasn't bad at all. And everybody had masks on, so it was a lot less scary. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I got. I got a lot of stuff. Also, I got hot, so that explains that situation. Okay, I bought a couple things for my classroom. I'm hoping the lighting isn't horrible. Actually, I'm gonna fix it. Hold on. I'm gonna walk over here and turn on my lights. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference or not, but it might. Okay, so for my classroom, it kind of helped. I got some washable ink. My inks are so old and so gross that I just need to throw them all out. And these are washable, and there's some, these are some just kind of rainbow colors. And then I also got some neons, because who doesn't love a good neon? Also in there, it looks like black, which is, you know, good standby. Anyway, these were only $4.99 a pack, and then with the teacher discount, it took off an additional 15%. So teachers, get your Michaels. The Happy Planner stuff is really what I went for. I think I said in my earlier clip that I looked all morning online. It was being a little bit melodramatic. It was at least an hour. And nothing was available for shipping. I have no idea why. I've gotten stuff shipped from Michael's before, and they had the stuff in stock, so I'm not sure what happened. Anyway, that's why I ended up going. Their Happy Planner stuff is 40% off right now. I'm not sure for how long, but I think their sales go through either, I want to say they start new on Saturday, but I could be wrong. Anyway, look it up, but good deals. So they're 40% off their Happy Planner stuff, and then teachers discount did apply to everything, and that was awesome. So these were like $5.99, and then the 40% off, and then the 15% off. So good deal. I love these colors. I love rainbow anything. I'm gonna, can't change hands. Okay, change hands like this. Okay, the next thing I got, I'm special. I was trying to put it in front of the camera. I'm over here. Okay, the next thing I got was this set of like photo holders. I don't really know exactly what you'd call them, but sometimes in my teacher book, I wish I had like a little pocket to stick a receipt or a note or a something. So I bought these. These were not on sale, and this was the only thing that I bought that was not on sale, but I used my 40% off coupon, and then it was on sale. So this was like $8, and then 40% off, and then 15% off. So it was a good deal. And in here, it's a 12 pack, it says. Camera, it's a 12 pack, and it says 3 sheets of each design. So I'm kind of excited. I like those kind of things as a way to organize. Okay, next I couldn't decide. So I ended up getting a few of these, not because I'm crazy, but because I figured, I'll just pick that up later. I figured I could piece them together and use them in different ways. So this one was super cute. Can you see? Yeah. It says a good education can change anyone. A good teacher can change everything. Super cute. It does have the small little discs, but I kind of like those. I don't have a lot of those. So yet another reason to buy it. And it was $8. I mean, come on. The next one is the one I'm going to use as my teacher planner this year. Books are magic. I love this so much. In fact, oh no, I didn't. I ended up not getting two. I was gonna get two, and then that's really weird. So the inside of this is actually just lined paper. This is a notes one. So what I'm going to do is use the inside of this. This is actually an undated 18-month or 12-month, I think it might just be 12-month planner, but that's plenty long enough because I use a teacher planner that I got from Joey Udovich. I'm not sure her last name. I think that's it, on Teachers Pay Teachers. I'll try to link it. I tried to link something yesterday and it just wouldn't work. I'm sure it wasn't me. I'll work harder at that. But anyway, she makes a digital planner that I love. I love all her stickers. All her stuff is so cute. So I will try really hard to link that. And that is the planner I use. So what I do is I just print it out, use my handy dandy paper punch that you saw that I used yesterday and sucked up all the evidence with my vacuum. Anyway, I just use that, punch the pages and put them in my teacher planner. So I like this cover too, but come on, the books one that's way cooler. And then the last planner that I got was this planner because it's got polka dots in rainbow colors. I don't really feel like there's any more explanation needed, but I'll try. So this one is gonna be for like YouTube videos and social media stuff because I just wanna look at it every day. It's super cute. And the inside pages are adorable. Let me see. Inside of this guy, the colorful dot one that says live a colorful life. So the inside is just so cute. It says student edition, don't even care. Class schedule, won't use that. But this is what I was after. The calendar pages, and they're just, I don't know, I just love them. I love these. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's see what, I mean, love these, super duper. Then the last thing I got was this little pack of plastic envelopes. It's 3 pieces. So the first one is a smallish one, then a little bit of a bigger one. I'll show you the back. It shows you all of them. And these are also little plastic pouches. I, again, thought they were super cool. They, when they are made by the Happy Planner company, they have this super heavy duty plastic so that when they snap into your Happy Planner, they don't go anywhere. And I love them. And again, just another place to tuck away papers, receipts, whatever, just notes. Okay, I've walked into my craft room to show you a couple other things I got today. These were on sale for $3.99. They used to be, their sale price was 3 for $10, which was a better deal, but haven't seen them cheaper than this lately. And I needed a couple more. I'll show you later in another video why. And then these, although I'm sitting here looking at 2 other empty ones that I have, and I have a full one at school, this was with the sale price and my teacher discount. This was $10 and they're normally 41 or 4 or something like that. So one of those could not pass up situations. Okay, I'm just going to show you really quickly, not a whole huge tour, but this is what I use those plastic iris containers for. I organize my school stuff by month. And I'll show you in depth what I put in there in another video. Okay, so the last two things I got at Michael's today were these two t-shirts. I got a black and a like a charcoal gray, but look at the brand, Bella Canvas. I love these. These are the super softy tees, and I thought if I just wear them plain, that's fine. Or if I find something cute that I could print out on my silhouette and iron on, that would be fine too. So that was what I got at Michael's today. And I think I got a pretty good deal on everything. The t-shirts, I don't know if I already said it, were 2 for $14.99, which is a good price for any t-shirt. So if I iron something on to them, I will show you that too. One of my sweet little friends has a Cricut, and she does awesome things on canvas and on signs and on t-shirts. So I might have to hit her up to help me find a cute saying for my t-shirts.